DJI is preparing one of its most exciting product seasons in recent memory. After months of speculation, leaks, and regulatory filings, the DJI Osmo Action 6 and the DJI Osmo Nano are both set to arrive in late 2025. These cameras promise to redefine what creators can expect from compact action and wearable systems, offering cutting-edge imaging, stabilization, and connectivity features at competitive prices. This deep dive brings together everything revealed through FCC documents, retail leaks, and insider reports, painting a clear picture of DJI's ambitious roadmap for the next generation of content creation. Tools. DJI Osmo Action 6, a flagship redefined Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be the most significant leap forward in DJI's action camera lineup. Based on consistent leaks and regulatory filings, the official launch window is expected between August and October 2025, with mid-October being the most likely date. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the Osmo Action 6 lies a 1-inch sensor, a massive step up from its predecessor. This sensor is capable of delivering 13.5 stops of dynamic range, allowing for exceptional highlight and shadow detail in challenging conditions. Video capture is equally impressive. Supported recording modes include 8K at 30 fps for ultra-high-resolution masters, 5.3K at 60 fps for cinematic workflows, 4K at 120 fps for smooth slow motion. All footage can be captured in 10-bit D-Log-M, providing creators with maximum flexibility for color grading. This represents one of the most advanced imaging pipelines available in an action camera to date. Stabilization. DJI has introduced Rocksteady 4.0, an upgraded version of its market-leading stabilization technology. Combined with AI-powered Horizon Steady 360, this ensures stable, level footage under virtually any condition, whether mounted on a helmet, a bike, or handheld. Durability and battery life. Osmo Action 6 pushes the limits of ruggedness. The camera is waterproof up to 20 meters without requiring an external case, making it ideal for divers, surfers, and adventure travelers. Battery performance also sees a major boost. A 1950 mAh cell allows for up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording, an unprecedented figure for an action camera. Interestingly, regulatory filings also revealed smaller 1770 mAh and 1500 mAh batteries, suggesting the possibility of multiple versions, a standard and a pro model. Storage and connectivity. Unlike previous models, the Osmo Action 6 comes with 47 GB of internal storage, ensuring that creators are never left stranded without a card. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, allowing for faster file transfers and stable wireless control. The inclusion of USB-C output makes it well-suited for vloggers and live streamers, particularly when paired with its dual touchscreens, one at the back and one at the front, for framing shots in any orientation. Design details. The Action 6 closely resembles the earlier Action 5 Pro, but with subtle refinements. These may include changes to grip, weight distribution, and thermal management, potentially improving handling during extended shoots. A particularly intriguing element is a pill-shaped component beneath the front screen. Its purpose remains unknown, speculated to be a sensor, gesture control pad, or an entirely new interface. This mysterious feature has sparked significant discussion among the creator community. Pricing and availability. Leaked retail packaging suggests the following pricing: Standard Combo $329, $429 Adventure Bundle $479, $579. Given DJI's consistent release cycle, Osmo Action 1 in September 2022, Action 4 in August 2023, and Action 5 Pro in September 2024, the Osmo Action 6 fits perfectly into the late summer to early fall launch pattern. With FCC confidentiality periods expiring and polished product photos surfacing, the camera appears nearly ready for market. Even if minor details change, the Osmo Action 6 is positioned to be one of the most advanced and affordable action cameras available. DJI Osmo Nano, a wearable revolution. While the Action 6 will appeal to professional shooters and vloggers, DJI is also preparing a second device, the Osmo Nano, an ultralight wearable camera that could reshape the point-of-view POV market. Launch and positioning. The Osmo Nano is scheduled for official release on September 23, 2025, at 8 a.m. EDT, following a brief delay from its initially expected September 15th launch. DJI has promoted it under the slogan "Own the Moment," emphasizing portability and spontaneity. With a starting weight of just 58 grams, the Nano is lighter than most smartphones, designed to be virtually invisible during use. Its magnetic mount system allows it to attach securely to clothing, helmets, bikes, or DJI's new wearable lanyard system, eliminating the need for bulky clips. Video capabilities to its small size. The Nano delivers impressive specifications: DCI 4K at 60 fps, UHD 4K at 120 fps, 1080p at 240 fps for slow-motion footage, benefits from Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization and horizon lock, providing smooth, cinematic output. Storage and Power 12 versions will be available. 64GB model, 128GB model both include microSD expansion, ensuring flexibility for creators who need extended recording. Battery life reaches to 0.5 hours of continuous use, and the device supports fast charging to 80% in just 20 minutes via USB-C. Ecosystem integration. The Nano integrates seamlessly with DJI's ecosystem, including compatibility with DJI wireless microphones without requiring external receivers. This positions it as a powerful tool for vloggers, travelers, and sports enthusiasts seeking a minimal setup. A new accessory, the bidirectional magnetic ball head, priced at $34.99, enables creative mounting possibilities by allowing flexible orientation on virtually any surface. Pricing. According to leaked listings from retailers such as Adorama, pricing is as follows: 64GB standard combo $399.99 US, €369 EU. 128GB version $429.99 US, €399 EU. This places the Nano in direct competition with the Insta360 Go 3S, signaling DJI's intent to dominate the wearable camera category. Design and innovation. Known of the standout features of the Osmo Nano is its multi-surface magnetic design. Unlike traditional single-point mounts, the Nano's body includes magnetic contacts on multiple sides, allowing for unprecedented flexibility. Some versions may even include switchable magnetic polarity, enabling filmmakers to mount the camera in innovative new ways. An OLED HD touchscreen provides direct control, playback, and remote shooting options. Combined with rapid charging and built-in memory, the Nano balances simplicity with professional functionality. Market buzz. Excitement for the Osmo Nano surged after Adorama briefly listed the product before removing it. Screenshots of the listing circulated widely, with some customers attempting to pre-order before the page was taken down. DJI later accidentally leaked additional product images, further confirming its imminent release. Industry insiders such as Igor Bogdanov hinted at upcoming reveals, fueling speculation and anticipation. Strategic implications for DJI. DJI's dual-release strategy in 2025 highlights its ambition to dominate both the professional action camera and wearable POV. Segments. The Osmo Action 6 targets filmmakers, vloggers, and adventurers who demand top-tier image quality and flexibility. The Osmo Nano caters to users seeking a lightweight, effortless way to capture first-person perspectives. This two-pronged approach positions DJI to directly challenge competitors such as GoPro in the action camera market and Insta360 in the wearable camera space. By offering advanced imaging technologies at competitive price points, DJI is signaling its intent to become the default choice for creators across the spectrum. The DJI Osmo Action 6 and Osmo Nano represent a bold new chapter for DJI. With innovations ranging from a 1-inch sensor and 8,000 video capture to magnetic wearable mounts and seamless ecosystem integration, these products promise to reshape content creation workflows. While leaks should always be treated with caution, the consistency of regulatory filings, retail listings, and image leaks strongly suggests that these details are accurate. If even half of the rumored features prove correct, DJI will have set a new benchmark in the industry. As September and October 2025 approach, all signs point to DJI redefining what creators can expect from compact cameras. Whether through the powerhouse Osmo Action 6 or the ultralight Osmo Nano, DJI is poised to deliver tools that combine innovation, portability, and professional performance.